So that's how to accept invitation on Temu. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to go to the link that you have received. Once you click on the link, now it will take you to this interface. Here you will receive a pop-up message, accept invitation, and you have to click on it. After clicking on the accept invitation option, this blank screen will appear. You have to wait for the process to load. After that, you will see a message to play games and earn money. By clicking on this option, you can simply earn money by inviting your friends. However, if you just receive an invitation code, what you have to do is go to your search bar and here you have to paste the invitation code. After pasting your invitation code, you will receive a notification with accept invitation. You have to click on it. Now you have to follow all the prompts. So that's how to accept invitation on Temu.